started it. But what is up, guys? Big Wheels for another video. It's been about a month since I had the other video uploaded. Yeah, it's just been cold. Had some snow. It got to like zeros and below, so way below freezing. So yeah, now it's like 50 out or so that's pretty warm for St. Louis, I would say, after snow and shit like that. And my birthday was this past weekend, so there's that. Another year older. Shout out to all the people that made it awesome. Y'all know who you are. I don't even have to kick on my fans right now. That's kind of awesome. Because who even knows if they really work? Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. But we got the fork seals on. We got the fork, or we just redid the whole fork seals, dust caps, all that. And then we put the seal savers on it that I found on Amazon. It's supposed to help the life of the seals and dust covers and keep all the extra debris out, so that's nice. Are y'all pumped though for the freaking summer? Because I'm so ready to get riding. Yet there to be very controlled. We are working our way to get control now. Because we got the pop. No problem. Starting to get the balance point a little bit. Still a little off. So we're going to hit some back roads and stuff. Oh yeah, I went to the aquarium and stuff this weekend. Man, if you ever get a chance to go check that out, go check it out. It's pretty freaking dope. And I got a bunch of other stuff going on downtown, so go check it out. Went in the wheel, big Ferris wheel that they got. Dick, no. Close. So we could. Y'all guys like the camera angle? If not, let me know. I can change it up. Oh, dead deer. guys, I think that's gonna do it for today because it is cold. There's a lot of cows out, and I don't have anyone else to ride with. So be safe, stay lucky. Peace.